Did you know free money is literally waiting for you by next year, January 2026? Yes, you heard me right. In this particular video, I'm going to be showing you a crypto airdrop that's going to be launching their next TD by next year, January 2026. And you watching this video can get to a pin into this particular project and be able to cash out by next year, January 2026. So if you are a forex trader and you are looking to get capital to start your trading journey, or you are just an online hustler looking for a legit way to make money online, then this particular video is for you. And if this is the first time you are joining this YouTube channel, you are welcome back to Aditech FS, and my name is Ajayi Daniel. In this channel, I share updates on how to make money online and lessons that can help you to stay profitable in the forex market. So if this is kind of content you'd like to watch, make sure you stick around to the end of this video, like and subscribe to this YouTube channel, and also turn on the bell notification. Without further ado, let's get started. Okay, so guys, the crypto airdrop we're actually talking about is called SoSoValue. SoSoValue is actually a crypto airdrop that rewards you for performing simple basic tasks like following their social media accounts or connecting your social media account to this project, and you get to earn points which can be converted to real money when they actually launch their next TD. So without further ado, let me simply walk you through on how to get started on this project.
Alright guys, so all you have to do is to click the link in the description of this video to sign up on SoSoValue. So now if you want to sign up on this platform, on this airdrop, you just have to use your Google account. Just click on sign in with Google Direct. You don't need to stress yourself entering your email and password. Right, so once you click sign into your Google account, you have automatically created an account. So after that, make sure you click the link in the description of this video so you can be able to get a bonus, a points when you register. So after that, you have to head to Play Store to download the app, because the app is more responsive than the website version. But don't worry, if you don't want to download the app, you can continue to use the website. But let's first go to Play Store. Then have to install the SoSoValue application, right? So all you have to do is go to Play Store and search for SoSoValue. So I hope you guys can see. All you have to do is install this app. Then after you install it, then you have to open it. So this is the app. So then after you open it, you just have to sign in with the same Google account you used to sign up on the website, right? So once you sign up, you are going to see this this page. You are not interested in this page because you might think this is actually complicated. It's not complicated. All you have to do is just come to this side, EXP. I hope you guys can see. Let me show you guys where. So all you have to do is come to this side, see that says EXP. So that's this side where you're going to accumulate points. So now all you have to do is sign in with your Google account. So you can even continue from this place, but for the sake of to be able to get the bonus, you have to sign in with my link right on in the description of this video. So let's go ahead and sign in with Google right here. So click on sign in with Google. Okay, you have to complete verification. So you click on verify you are a woman, right? Then you click on sign in with Google. Then it's going to redirect you to your browser to sign in with your Google account. So let me pause this video and I will be right back. Alright guys, so I just logged in my Google account right now. So all I have to do is click on EXP again. So we're only interested in this section of the app, right? So you have to allow it to load. Alright guys, so I just logged in right now. So this is the particular section where you get to perform tasks, your bonus tasks. Make sure you follow their page and you're able to get this points. Then click on daily tasks. You just have to, first of all, you follow their account like this. If you like it, then you come back. Let's, for example, you click on like. It's going to give you some minutes before you can be able to claim the coin. So you just have to like the post. If you like it, and go back to the application and you wait for 1 minute to complete for you to claim it, right? So this one too, you just have to click on verify. I've actually shared the post before. So once you click on verify, you'll be able to get your points, right? This may be okay. I think there's a technical issue. So for other ones, you can just be able to claim it. Then the most important part is this starter pack. You have to make sure you perform all these tasks to accumulate your token. And that's basically how you can be able to mine this project. It's not complicated at all. So if you're able to mine this project well, like as if your life depends on it, just to be able to just to ensure that you're able to make good money by January 2026. So stay locked in, guys, and make sure you mine this project well. It has huge potentials. And let me show you something that will blow your mind right now. Let me actually show you something. If you check the listing price of SoSoValue on Bybit around January this year, when they listed their season 1, they listed at around $1, which means if you're having $100 SoSoValue, that's equal to $100, which is about 150,000 to 200,000 naira, depending on the exchange rates then. So right now, you can see right here is their current exchange rate is $0.88, which is about $1. This is huge, bro. So now, if you let's say you are opportune to get 100 SoSo, right? After the slashing and converting the EXP points to your SoSo points, right? You're able to get 100 SoSo. That's equal to $88, right? $88 right now. If you convert it to naira, or if you convert it to any currency, depending on the country you are watching me from, $88 times 1,600. That's about 140,000 naira. Bro, you just have to start mining this project. You have to start mining this project, and you can see the project is a very good project. Even if you check their YouTube channel, they're having about 500,000 subscribers. These people, they really have money. They have money to give out, so it's not anyhow project that you can just feed. So if you actually search for SoSoValue on YouTube, yeah, though you can get to actually follow their YouTube channel or directly from the app and get a reward also. So, but let's check. You can see right here. This is the app.
What is SoSoValue?
So as you guys can see, they're having about 589,000 subscribers. So let's watch a quick introduction about them.
SoSoValue is a one-stop financial research platform for crypto investors. What can you do with SoSoValue? Here we go. The homepage greets you with current market overviews and interact.
So the platform is not only based on airdrop. They are just doing it to give people reward for using their platform. So it's just like a platform where you're able to get recommendations, AI recommendations on how to invest in the crypto markets, right? So I think that'll be all for this video. Thank you guys for watching, and if you're able to watch this video to the end so far, I'll be giving 1,000 naira airtime to 5 people that was going to drop giveaway in the comment section. That's if we are able to watch this video to the end. Those that skip this video and they watch it to the end, I know they won't see this particular part. So if you watch this video to the end, just type giveaway in the comment section, and if you have any question concerning this project, you can drop them in the comment section and I'll be glad to respond. Thank you guys for watching, and goodbye.